Do you know you can create and add interactive elements to your website? How cool does that sound? What's going on, guys? This is Priyasha from PitchGround. Do you want to add an interactive map or image experience to your website but don't have the skills to do it yourself? It's no secret that these are a great way to engage website visitors and keep them on your page longer. But creating them can be hard. PitchGround has brought to you Drawpoint. With Drawpoint, you can create beautiful interactive maps and images without coding. The easy-to-use platform makes it simple to add interactivity and engagement to your website. With Drawpoint, you can create the perfect map for your business. Customize it to fit seamlessly on your website. Upload custom images and background images for product demonstration, interactive illustrations, etc. Add custom themes, video embeds, custom pop-ups and more, all with this easy-to-use drag-and-drop builder. You can also use Drawpoint's inbuilt analytics to track who is viewing your content and more. Drawpoint is offering a lifetime deal for limited period, so grab yours soon. Head on to pitchground.com and claim your license now. That's it for this video, guys. Keep growing and I'll see you in the next video.